At Apex Assembly, our sponsors partner with us for sales gathering, revenue generating, and account-based marketing. Check out the partner journey. Work with your Apex account executive to select the best events for your organization. The team will work hand in hand with you throughout the event process to ensure your experience is seamless. They will collect target accounts, work with your content, your attendees, and collaborate to fulfill your marketing goals. Apex handles all the event planning and logistics behind the scenes. They create event web pages, book venues, plan the agenda, secure speakers, and more. Apex coordinates preparatory calls, provides necessary materials, and ensures your team is well prepared for the event. Attend the event and take advantage of the high-quality content, industry leader attendance, and various networking opportunities. After the event, receive a detailed debrief from the Apex team, including valuable data for your team to follow up on. For sponsorship inquiries, please email sponsors@apexassembly.com.